In all Ricoh copiers from the MPC and IMC series, you can activate the toner level icon on the control panel. This graphically displays the remaining toner, which is a very useful feature. You won't be caught off guard while operating the device. Enter service mode as shown in the video and activate the point you see on screen. Remember two important things. Confirm the change with the Naradar key, and after that, restart the copier, just like in Windows.